Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. On the one hand, to give them concessions in the name of incentive production, and on the other hand, gaining extra super profit by raising the prices, creating artificial scarcities and starving the nation. Stop. That is what is happening. Stop. Therefore, the villain of the peace is the big money, whether it is divided in the agricultural economy or the industrial economy. Stop. Today, instead of taking measures against them, you are giving concessions to them in the name of production. Stop. We are all for production. Stop. This nation will not survive if by the toil of our countrymen we do not raise production. Stop. We the communists are a part of the working class and hence we attach importance to production. Stop. Production is the article of faith with the working class of our land and of all countries. Stop. They are not shying away from production. Stop. Who is responsible for retrenchment and closures? Stop. Who is responsible for deliberately cutting production? Stop. Who is responsible for reducing the production of coarse and medium cloth in order to produce superfine cloth which they could cater to the upper classes and for exports in order to gain extra profits? Stop. Has it been seen how the production of coarse and medium varieties of cloth and articles of mass consumption by the common man has been deliberately and systematically reduced by the monopoly class with a view to creating scarcity and making money out of the privations of the common man? Stop. Stanza. Here, sir, only today there has been a question where it has been said that the amount due to the Damodar Valley Corporation from the consumers of electricity. Surely, big people who take electricity from the Damodar Valley Corporation, a public sector undertaking, is rupees 100 lakhs from JK Aluminium and rupees 50 lakhs from Tata's. Stop. These are the two monopoly concerns here. Stop. They are owing you money and you do not collect. Stop. It is they who are in arrears of income tax. Stop. There goes income tax arrears come to rupees 800 crores, out of which effective arrears would come to about rupees 400 crores, out of which again the share of the monopoly houses in the matter of tax evasion is more than rupees 300 crores. Stop. What are you doing to them? Stop. It is they who by under invoicing and over invoicing make money and deny you your foreign exchange resources. Stanza. It is estimated by competent economists that these people are cheating you to the tune of rupees 1000 crores annually. Stop. It is a very massive amount. Stop. What action has the government taken to recover this enormous source of income? Full stop. Over.